To set up screen lock on POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now navigate to the screen lock options right here, and then you'll be able to choose between 3 different options for a screen lock. You can go for a pattern, which allows you to draw lines connected to create that password. You can also use PIN, which you will need to add between 4 to 16 numbers to unlock your phone, and the password, which allows you to enter 4 and some degree of limit amount of letters, numbers and other symbols to lock your phone. Now I'm gonna go for a PIN right here, and you can go for anything else. All you have to do next is just enter the password that you want to use. Confirm it. And finally, your password will be set. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.